this one, I bought these two from Japan's because I want to see which one I prefer. Of course, this, you can see, you can take a lot of stickers, and but it's different. This one, it's like album, so where you put your pictures. We used to do for a long time. I don't know if people do that today, but still album. So cute. I choose red because you can't go wrong with red. They give you a packet here. I did not know what to put yet. Again, I had the extra stickers that did not fit there. Again, this is Michael's mostly in those floral booklet, which I prefer. Every time when it's done, I go buy another one. This way, you can see clearly. So pretty. These I don't use them, but I kept them. It's like a little lines. It's like a little lines of different colors. I don't use them too much. Also, Michael's, I love this is little book of planners, so small, just like these pages looks like. So they give you these beautiful girls time to reflect. Oh, this is they give you see it. So there's this type, which I have many there, like 4 pages, and I have they give you holidays and they give you girls. So I use them a lot. And they give you this type of, I don't use too much of this, the boxes and money and stars, and then these letters. And these I used a lot of this, balloons and little words. I think I prefer words mostly when it comes to planning. I use the words more all the time. And of course a few pictures of people. That's why these girls here, I use them. Now we're going to remember, I don't know if you see my previous video about this booklet of stickers. At the end there is a they give you this plastic. You can put washi tapes. It's kind of plastic but bendable. See? Yes. So hold the way it's like that. Usually I think they thought this is how it's supposed to be. For example, I'm gonna show you, but I did it because I have too many stuff inside. It did not work with me. It would be bulky. You push down. You push down here and it will enter in. And I don't want to do it because, let me see. You see, when it went in. So like that. And you do the other one, it will just match. Just push. So these two are in. And the third one, it goes there. I don't want to do it because when I close, guess what happened? Maybe some people will like that, but I don't like when I close that. It gives me this kind. But I guess it's safe. But I don't like the bulky looking. So it's just, these are my beautiful washi tapes I got from Japan when I order these sticker books. So I put all my washi tapes, all those washi tapes. Of course it's Michael's. Let me just say 99% I go to Michael's, 1% I go to Joanne. So Michael's product what they sell Michaels. Only these three black. I got them from Japan with this stickers book. So this is how they look like. So you can go in here and you can close it and put the elastic. I have one hand, just don't want to do it. Again, this is how it will look like. So me, I prefer to remove it. And then I keep it in this little plastic I got. It was a gift, so I put it in and it looks pretty. Now, of course, you know, I have this banded plastic thingy. I don't use it. It was restored somewhere, and I'm like, where can I put this leftover washi tapes? And I'm like, let me just check that little white box. Of course, I already put something pretty there, like a flower, something beautiful, heavy, stickers to remove that. I never thought about putting a washi tape. I don't know if it will stick, but something pretty. I will do it. So here you go. This is my rolls of extra, and then this is what I own for stickers and washi tapes. Of course, all this. Beside these flowers, petal flowers, which came with the flowers I show you, the sticker flower, they come from Walmart. Or the petals. I have that, but okay. Planner Perfect and Planner Perfect across, and this one, or these three, Planner Perfect and these blue. I never use them because they're not I don't know how to use them so much, but this is the card I have left. Everything is from Planner Perfect. They're done. I finished them, and all these extra ones are from, of course, Michaels. Okay, a sticker book that I own and my washi tape. They're not too fancy, but that's what I use. Of course, all these, I think when I got the packet of my washi tape from Michaels, I did not like the colors, but it was okay with what they had. Of course, I have a different card in my mind for what I want, but this is what I have now. I enjoy now as I have it. When I have different stuff, I will record and show you. Okay, hope you have a blessed day, and God bless you. Bye.